I'm Jan Humphreys. I'm a nurse practitioner with the Clearwater Free Clinic. Here at the clinic, we provide a broad spectrum of clinical services. We have 30 to 40 doctors that volunteer, and we have numerous nurses, many of which come through BayCare, and it's been a godsend to us. Many come here after a long day at work and see patients here in the evening. Our clients here typically are lower income working class folks who unfortunately are unable to access health care due to their circumstances. One of the patients we've helped here, Richard Helvey, he's been a patient of ours for about 2.5 years.
My name is Richard Helvey. I was born and raised in Detroit, Michigan, and now I live in Largo, Florida. Well, when my father passed away some years ago, I started going through some hard times. Wasn't able to afford the house that he had left me, so I had to let that go. Went to Georgia to visit my fiance. We broke up. So on my way back home, I got to a junction in the road. I made a decision, just with the stuff I had in my car, I just turned and I chose to come to Florida. After I got to Florida, I stayed in my car. I slept in my car for a while, and I started having problems with my diabetes. And I started going through a lot of pain. Then a friend of mine told me about the Clearwater Free Clinic, and they fit me in the schedule, and I met Dr. Jan. Oh, she's awesome. Dr. Jan took care of me, and she's been working with me with my diabetes.
I remember when he arrived here, he had a multitude of chronic diseases that were ongoing, and he had been without medications for a period of a couple months. I think it was hard for him to get started. He was overwhelmed. But as time went on, we worked with him and got him established on a regimen of medication, and he has done beautifully.
I am a working man. I've had as many as 3 part-time jobs at one time, but none of them offer insurance. And I was concerned about maybe getting a bill later, but come to find out I didn't have to pay anything. They asked for donations. I love that place so much. If it wasn't for the Clearwater Free Clinic, I truly would not be here today.
Without something as a stopgap like a free clinic, we would have many, many people in our community in very dire need.
How do I feel today? I feel 100% better than the first day I walked into the clinic. I have a job now. I just got a promotion, and God has blessed me with this apartment.
Our clinic would not be able to do what it does without all the community partners that we have. BayCare being our predominant one. Between procedures, surgeries, treatment for a life-threatening illness going, if we turn to BayCare, they've been there for us every time.